Okay, good morning. Welcome back to Carolina Marine Group. We are back up in the yard working on the 30-foot island hopper. I haven't posted in a few days, but as you can see, I've gotten a lot more done. We are just about in the final stages here. We're ready to actually launch Monday or Tuesday. Today's Sunday morning. I'm going to bring this back down to the marina and finish up the rest of this. Down there, we've got a lot less wind and dust, and as you can see, there's just a lot of junk and debris around with the wind kicking up. It's really calm today, which is nice for painting, but it's been a heck of a challenge to try and get this boat cleaned and painted and continue to stay clean we've had high winds the last couple weeks. So I'm going to do the final little touch-ups and last coat of stuff back down in the marina. So we've got the whole interior painted in a All-Craft 2000 Marathon white. The decks I did in non-skid Kiwi grip. First time using the Kiwi grip. Came out pretty good. No real complaints. I used it because it was a high build, and as you can remember, all along, and as you can see, I got to touch up some spots over down in here. It's getting later in the day, but high build. You can see that it actually filled in a lot of these huge divots that we had in the deck, almost barely noticeable at this point, which is great because of our time constraints in terms of getting this boat operational. It was crucial that we found something and did something that didn't take up too much of our time, and didn't allowed for sort of minimal prep work on that, as opposed to going all the way back down to bare fiberglass. So we'll see how that pans out. I got a new cooler in here, 150 quart, I think. I took out the Pelican case that was housing all of our life jackets. We're going to put those down below. Down below, you can see I built some steps. So now we've got a nice set of steps coming down into below. Brand new toilet that I've just installed. Got to finish plumbing. The tank is actually right underneath here. And we're going to do a small little fresh water tank. In here I'm wiring for the new sound system. And the rest of this will be painted in here. So we'll go to the outside. So this is pretty much done, and then back all along in here, back in my garage back home, I'm building a set of seating that will accommodate at least 10 people back here. And again, the boat is rated for 12 passengers plus 2 crew. And we're looking to up that a little bit more due to the fact that we're not going to run it as a dive boat. Paint color, as you can see, it's actually a beautiful color, blue. I just installed the white boot stripe as an accent. Really makes the that blue sort of pop on the boat. The paint that we used here is an Emeron, really commercial grade. High strength, high durability paint, which should give us quite a bit of longevity. I don't know if you can see up on the top, I've reinstalled all of the safety gear, as well as the EPIRB and the life ring that's up there. All front has been done in All-Craft 2000, again with the Marathon white, and then I did all the little non-skid decks. I don't know, you probably can't see that in the Kiwi grip. So got all the windows back up and the sides back on. The tape was a pain in the butt to get off because we had left it on there for so long, just due to the fact of the high winds, and then when we could and could not paint. Stereo system, there's one of the speakers, outdoor marine grade woofer type thing, facing back, so it's not blaring in my ear when we get all these girls out on board on this boat. So and coming around the back, this is all of our recycling, and then I've Kiwi grip this. You can see the texture that it is, and this was a really banged up swim platform, and that looks really quite nice at this point. So so that's pretty much it. Done. Hopefully we're going to be launching this thing with any luck tomorrow or Tuesday morning, and we're going to start doing sea trials with the Coast Guard, and we've got our first couple of charters coming up this coming week. So got a lot to do just to finish up and get it ship shape and ready, but I think we'll get it done in time. So I'd like to thank Carolina Restorations for helping me with the paint. Luke is an awesome guy, and if you guys are in South Carolina, particularly Charleston, need some paint done or some fiberglass work done on your boat, give Luke a call. I'll put a shout out on my page to him as well. So he was nice enough to help me spray the hull. His trailer's actually right here, so he took pity on me. He gave me a hand for an hour or two. So really appreciate that. So we'll do one more when we get back in the water. I'll talk to you soon. Captain Dave, Carolina Marine Group.